Hello everyone, what's up? It's me Micah, and today I'm going to teach you how to pack for your summer getaway. Guys, it is already summertime and I'm sure that you can already feel that because of this heat. And a lot of us are already planning our trips and getaways to the beach, to different countries, of course with our friends, our families, and even by ourselves. So WatchSM and I collaborated in order to teach you guys how to pack efficiently for your upcoming summer getaway. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video.
First up, do not overpack. I know it's easy to say but hard to do, but just don't go bringing your entire closet. Instead, narrow everything down to your essentials based on where you're headed. Second tip, make a checklist. Saving space is a must, but not being able to bring something you really need is a total bummer. Third tip, plan your outfits. It always helps to pack more efficiently when you already know what you're gonna wear. However, if you'll be going out of the country for more than a month or two, I suggest you bring even less because I'm sure you'll do all the shopping there anyways. Fourth tip, roll up your clothes in order to save space. You can do it to your pants or bottoms, your tops, dresses, and basically every garment you'll be packing just so you can maximize the space of your bag or luggage. Fifth tip, if you're going to the beach, just pack light clothes. I mean, it's the beach. No need for thick fabrics and all that jazz. Not only will you be making more room for other things, but you'll be pretty practical too. Next up, if you're a makeup junkie just like me, you know that it's hard not to bring your entire makeup kit. But if you want to save as much space, you need to let go of some that you won't actually use for that trip. Bring only the makeup products that you'll actually use. Seventh tip, buy mini versions of your holy grail makeup products. If not the mini versions, the samplers can work too, especially if you won't really be vacationing too long. Tip number 8. You know those shoe pouches that usually come with a box when you buy a pair of shoes? Keep those and use them when you travel. Use it so that you can easily separate your shoes from your dirty clothes to avoid from getting the clothes dirty. Tip number 9. Bring an extra eco bag and make sure it's roomy. Most of the time, we never actually get to use all the clothes we bring to our summer outing, so you'll need a separate bag where you can put all your dirty clothes in. Tip number 10. Bring an extra plastic bag or Ziploc as well. Don't you just hate it when you have no idea where to put your wet bathing suits? Well, same girl, same. 11th tip. Separate your things using pouches or bag organizers. Those are always so helpful in keeping your things together and making it easier for you to find what you're looking for. Tip number 12. Sometimes our products can spill all over our luggages or bags or pouches, so make sure that the caps of the bottles of the liquids are sealed properly. Add a towel or paper towels inside the pouch you're putting them into. 13th tip. Always fix your cords. It's so hassle when they get all tangled up in your bag. That's really the most annoying thing. So a simple clip, mini pouch, or organizer will do. Tip. If you're the type who loves bringing accessories during a summer getaway, a small medicine organizer is the perfect place to store your earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. Not to mention, they're super compact too.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope all of you enjoyed it and learned a thing or two from this short informative video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also follow WatchSM for more videos like this and more content that you guys will surely learn a lot from. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That is Micah Louisse, and sound off in the comment section down below what your tips and tricks are when it comes to traveling for all of those watching this today. Thanks guys, and I'll see you on the next WatchSM video. Bye!